last trip to Laguna slash Newport.
Oh yeah.
Where's Lindsay's little head?
I'm here.
Hey guys, starting the vlog off here. We just got Starbucks. We all got our pumpkin cold brews and we're about to head out and we should be there at 11 o'clock. I told you it's the best bowl. It's the only one I crave.
These are really good. It's so fresh.
I know, I thought the little ones on the ground were real. He's so cute! Dude, wait, this is so cute.
I love it.
Oh wow! Oh my god, this is so cute, you guys. There's our little room, so cute.
It is cute.
And it's beach front. The only thing is, it is raining. Here's our view, it's right out to the beach. Got into the room, the window's open, so the ocean stink is getting into here. The air conditioner's off. The shower doesn't work, broken. Quinn just had to take a bath, standing up.
Standing up.
We tried to open the champagne bottle. Neither me or Lindsay could get this open for like 20 minutes.
I got it.
Lindsay sat on the edge of this bench and like a seesaw toppled over. Champagne problems, quite literally, but we just are, we're bad news bears. Okay, here's my outfit. Top is from House of CB. Pants are local European. Shoes are Revolve. My bag is Bottega, but it's somewhere over there. And we're almost ready to go.
I could really use some stuff like that. Talk to me and tell me all that you've seen, all the colors. Summer love. Memories washed in every shade of green and all the colors.
You guys, we are at a little coffee shop. Lindsay just got her bagel sandwich. And we are just grabbing some coffee, some bagels, and then we're gonna head to the beach because it's actually not raining and the weather cleared up a lot. I mean, it's still kind of like gloomy, but we're gonna do like a little walk on the beach. Last night we ended up going to like a few little bars and restaurants and it was such a time, but it was honestly hilarious.
I like this way around.
No place to be and nothing to prove. That's sure something I could use.
Hey guys, good morning. I am continuing this little vlog because I didn't like vlog that much on our little girls staycation and it's a few days later and I just decided that I would take you guys through like a regular day in my life. Gonna be kind of boring, but maybe we'll just chit chat about life and whatnot as we always do. Most of my vlogs are just me talking. But right now I'm about to head to acupuncture. I just had coffee. I bought this creamer from Starbucks. Well, it's not from Starbucks, it's by Starbucks. I got it at Costco. You guys wait. This thing is effing huge. We're moving in like 2.5 weeks. So like back home to Massachusetts, if you guys are new. I live in Los Angeles right now and we're moving back home to Massachusetts. So Frank was like, my fiance was like, bro, why did you buy this? Like, this is huge. I've already made quite a substantial dent in it just because I had to try it yesterday and I had a hefty cup this morning. But this, so good. This was $7. Oh, that thing is gonna bother me being open. This was $7. This is the equivalent in price. How messed up is this? This is the equivalent in price as a regular Starbucks coffee. This. Like, don't get me wrong, I'm gonna still go to Starbucks. I'll probably still go today. But dang, like, this is crazy. Dude, insane. Anyways, let's go get needles poked into our body. I'm just driving to acupuncture now and I'm thinking about that coffee and how satisfying it was and how delicious it was. I remember there was a time in my life where I was like, oh my God, regular coffee creamer is so bad for you. Like, I would never have regular coffee creamer. And I'm like, bro, this is your sign. If you're watching this, have the damn coffee that you want. Don't go and make it all that bullshit almond milk crap. That tastes like cardboard. Have the coffee you want, period. Okay, what's up guys? I just went into Pavilions, the grocery store. They made it 10 out of 10 today. Like, so freaking good. Sometimes with seasonal drinks or like specialty drinks, I go through a phase when they first come out where I'm like obsessed. Like, I need to have it every single day, and I did that with the pumpkin. Like, there was like 4 days in a row where I got it every day. And then I was like, okay, I need to take a break. So I'll like take a break for like a few days and then I'm like ready to have pumpkin again. So good. And then I'll show you guys what I got from the grocery store. Really boring, but we needed some things. I got Swiss cheese. I got whipped cream cheese. I call this Wiz Khalifa Farms. It's not, it's like Khalifa Farms, but Wiz Khalifa Farms is just what I started calling it when I was a kid, and then I just never stopped. And then I got Simply Orange. Okay, and then I got just Simply Orange medium pulp. It was on sale for $3. And Frankie's parents are coming, and I know his dad's like a big juice guy, so I figured I would get him some orange juice. And I have recently been craving like just a juice in the morning. I'm very much a liquids person in the morning. I'll have like my water, then I'll have a coffee, then I'll have like a juice of some sort, then maybe I'll have a smoothie. Like, I really love liquids in the morning. And then I'm like, by the time I'm done with my workout, I might like have a light snack before my workout, and then when I'm done with my workout, I'm like ready for like a good solid like brunch meal. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna get going. I'm gonna go home. Right now it's 11:30. By the time I get home, it'll be like 12. And then I'm gonna go to the gym downstairs in my building. I might just do like a little bit of cardio and like a full body workout, because tomorrow I have Pilates, and I keep screwing myself. Like, I keep doing Pilates, or not doing Pilates, doing a hard workout the day before I do Pilates, and then I'm already sore from my workout, so I can't like fully do everything in Pilates the way that I would like to, and I am also just dying the whole time, and then I'm like doubly sore like the third day. When I tell you guys that like when I move home to Massachusetts, I'm gonna be like so ready to like never see anybody ever again, I don't mean that in like a bitchy way. Like, I'm so grateful that I'm surrounded by so many awesome friends, but like, I am tired. I'm tired, y'all. I'm gonna be retired by the time I move to Massachusetts, and honestly that's exactly what I wanted. I wanted to like fully wear myself out, so that way by the time I move I will be like donezo, like I'll be ready. And I think we're really getting there. Like, I think I'm actually doing it. So yeah, but we're gonna still try to like keep our ish together. I have like this video to edit. I have to work out. I have to continue packing my stuff and like going through stuff. I have to go to the consignment store today. But yeah. I just got back from the gym, took the dog out for a walk, and I made a breakfast sandwich with whipped cream cheese, a Costco everything bagel, bacon, sausage, an egg, and then Swiss cheese melted. Oh my God, like, goodbye. This looks so good. I also just poured myself like a little glass of orange juice as well, which complements the sandwich perfectly. Okay, hi you guys. It's a little bit later. I just got out of the shower, obviously. I'm gonna show you some of my skincare. Oh my God, that freaking noise is gonna drive me insane. Hold on. Basically, a lot of you guys always ask me about my skincare, and it's pretty simple. I cleanse my face with just like a simple Neutrogena like daily cleanser. And then I use like there's like a Tarte AHA BHA one that I use after the gym. But if I'm taking off makeup, I use the Neutrogena one because it actually gets the makeup off, versus the Tarte one, you can't even put it on your eyes because it's obviously like active ingredients. Then I'm going to use The Ordinary, and I broke the tip of this dropper thing, but it still works because I dropped this thing. And this is just a hyaluronic acid serum, or just hyaluronic acid. I don't know if this is considered a serum or not, but I love this stuff. This is like, I use this every day. Sometimes I use a retinol by The Ordinary at night, but sometimes I don't, especially if I do my skincare earlier on in the night. Like if I shower earlier and I know I might still be getting sun exposure, I don't use the retinol. And sometimes I feel like it dries out my skin, so if I'm like tan or if I'm going in the sun, like I won't use it. But I do use it sometimes. And then, oops, I literally just put this on without telling you what it is. Next on top of that, I'm using the Summer Fridays Dream Oasis Deep Hydration Serum. I know it might seem repetitive to do 2 serums, but I just like to make my skin extra hydrated. And I always put some on my neck. And then for moisturizer, during the day, I use this Aloe Daily SPF Face Moisturizer. I'll use any like light, simple moisturizer as long as it has like some SPF in it during the day. And then at night, I'll use the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask, but I use this during the day sometimes too. I just love how, like, I literally use this as a moisturizer, not as like a mask, because it's basically just a thick cream. I just love the glow that this gives. I think it's so nice. And it keeps your skin hydrated all day and all night. So I love this so much. I've been using this as moisturizer ever since one day I just randomly ran out of moisturizer. And I've been using this and everyone's always like, how's your skin glowy? How do you keep it so hydrated? It's literally this product. Then I use the Summer Fridays Light Aura Vitamin C Peptide Eye Cream. And this actually is nice because it has like a little tint to it, a little bit of like a sheen. So it hydrates your under eyes, but it also brightens, like topically, I guess. Like it just has some kind of little bit of a tint to it. So I really like that. Even when I'm wearing no makeup, that's what I'll do. Also, I'm sorry if the camera angle keeps changing. It's literally because I'm balancing my camera on my makeup bag that has all my skincare products in it with a different skincare product as I pull things out of the bag. So it's like flipping and flopping around. But lastly, I'll just do my Lineage lip sleeping mask. And I use this morning, night, afternoon, whenever. And this is like the best base for my makeup, I find. And then I use that like Hangover Too Faced primer because I find, again, it's hydrating. I don't use primers for anything but hydration. I don't find that my makeup has problems staying on my face, and I actually like it better when my makeup has like sat for a little bit on my skin and it like kind of looks less done, because I feel like it can look cakey at first. I don't know why I have this like fear of my face looking cakey, which is why I would rather less makeup than put on a lot and have it like, I'm not the best at makeup. I'd rather like have it look like I just didn't put a lot of makeup on versus like put a lot of makeup on and have it look shitty. But anyways, I need to moisturize this spray tan so it doesn't get like all patchy and weird. This lighting is from my stupid lamp right here and it's making me look like very orange, so maybe I'll correct that in Final Cut, maybe I won't. But yeah, I look like I'm naked. I'm not. I'm gonna start getting ready because I have to meet with my friend Faith pretty soon. We're doing like a double date. I'm meeting her new boyfriend for the first time and she told me so many great things about him, so I'm super excited. I probably won't bring the vlog camera, like I'm not gonna vlog them. Maybe I'll show like clips of the food or something. Then I have a friend of mine's, Quinn, her brother and his girlfriend are doing like a little going away. But yeah, that's basically all I do for my little skincare routine. Okay, you guys, I'm getting ready for my little dinner and drinks, like happy hour double date with Frankie and then Faith and her boyfriend Chris. And I don't know what shoes to wear with this dress. I forget that the YouTube is not TikTok and I can't even ask you guys. But my shoe options that I'm thinking are boots or Dunks. I don't know, I might go on TikTok and ask, but I'm like so, I don't know. So I did my makeup. Looks pretty cute. I just need to pick up shoes, put on perfume, and brush my teeth, and then I'm good to go. Y'all, this is the final outfit. I actually have been loving being more active on TikTok and I asked people on TikTok to help me choose my outfit, which was super fun, but I just chose these sunnies from Vela. This is the cute little dress. I believe it's actually from Shopo. This little shawl is from Monday Swim, the bag's Bottega, and then these were the first cowboy boot that I ever owned. They're a vintage pair and they're my favorite. So I feel like this is a good like typical me outfit, but I feel very comfortable in it, very confident. So yeah, they just got here, they're pulling up, they just parked, so I'm going to go out and meet them and I'm so excited.